Okay, let me just. Okay, in the world of trading, there's so many ways of making money. You see, in the world of trading, this is most people do this start trading, trade shares. I buy, must go up. I short, I must go down. You don't move, I lose money. I lose slippage, I lose commission. Okay, or whatever. Okay, whatever. So direction trading is very common. But options got these two other joker here. This one give you the flexibility of trading what you call multi-dimensional. Okay.
Yep.
So your what you're learning now here, you're learning a trading now is very based on what I call rule-based strategy-based trading. That means that I'll teach you how to trade strategies. Teach you directional trading strategies. Okay? So directional strategy, directional trading. So share. Then they got that what called objective-based trading, market-based trading, capital-based trading. So what I'm teaching you now is a combination of strategy-based and capital-based. So it's not like I teach you methods that need 50,000 and share the 50,000 of capital risk and things like that. But this is not a good idea lah. So we start with strategies and build space. So combine these both. These two itself, this one is more powerful. But at this point in time, I'm not going to teach you to beginners. The reason why I got this type of starter class, a practical class, is to show you, for you to start off and for me to see how far can you go. Okay? So these are you're learning for strategy based combined with capital based. But it's strategy based. Then your strategy must be based on your budget. Your budget is, like I said, 5 trades of $100. Just now the next week, just now I show you the next week plan, correct? It's 250, 4 trades of 250. So for your $2,500 gross capital exposure, you can do 11 trades. Is it 11 trades? Yeah, 11 trades.
Yeah.
So your style, what you're learning now will be based on this one. 7S system. So specific strategy, underlying between shares, ETF and indexes. Market context, I'll teach you the if you have no idea what you're trading, I will give you what you call fixed rule trading, what you call best practice fixed rules guidelines where you start trading. How much capital you really short is there? $100. If cheaper company like cheaper company like RCL cheaper company $1 spread law. You trade next fix you trade next fix is $250 law. You take Tesla should be $5. Both Amazon and Google has split the shares now, so you can do it for $1. So what time frame? I'll teach you a time frame also. All your trades is intra-month. Means that 35 days or less. Then I'll teach you what is the entry parameters. I'll teach you 3 different exit parameters. So the exit parameter I will teach you 3. Fast take profit, time based exit, and closing night exit. Now for your case, you're looking to do this type of thing itself. Okay? But your case itself, because you are not by nature itself, you are not taking the income class yet. Okay? So this one I most probably I will not want you to go to touch on that. So we do bullish and bearish. So I will teach you how to find bullish and bearish. So you have the basket so you won't die horribly. Because I very scared. Because a lot of people once you learn the method wow, lucky so much they push 100% of their capital allocation into one direction, or 80%. Then you know lah, when we put all egg in one basket, one direction, market will do something to you. Okay?
Yep.
Any questions so far?
No.
So in option trading got this style of thing. So these are the 2 main classes. You are taking now the directional. Okay? Then actually refresh other. There is what I call directional. Income. These 2 will lead to my more advanced option picture. Either you complete 1 or complete 2 of these, complete the directional or income, then you go to what I call options practitioner. I call elite. What's the difference between this one? The directional income and option people practitioner actually is this one. The major difference is this one I showed you. When once you learn how to trade directional income, the strategy based and capital based, then the next step will be objective based and see market, trade market based. Then you get instead of rule based it become when you trade at time you learn become the way of the thinking trader. It's not strategy When the market see okay based on what I can see the market what can I do the market, and from there we structure a trade to suit the market opportunities in you. Where is it No, not here. Not here. So strange. Should be inside here somewhere. I think I know why. This is $100 and I put that. Where is my way of my thinking trader? You're learning what we call strategy based first.
Okay.
But ultimately at the practitioner level, you are learning this one. Practitioner level is advanced. It's up to me to prove you see whether it's suitable or not. Doesn't mean you want to come in. So basically different. Just now I teach you what? I teach you this method, strategy based at first.
Yep.
This one is different. So you can end up you can do a lot of creative methodology.
Okay.
Because I remember Thomas, if you think this method is horrible, when you buy this sell method is horrible, sure lose money one. Then ask yourself, if this method you trade every time you trade this method lose money instead of buying why don't you sell?
Yeah.
If the buyer lose money and you the buyer lose money then ask yourself, what the hell I doing? That means I risk assessment is wrong. Because when you click a trade do this trade, you can either buy or sell
Yeah.
and you say this trade sure lose money one, then what the hell don't you sell?
True.
But of course, when you do that, you must ask yourself, you must know how to think think whether feasible for you or not. Is it excessive risk not? Is it within my risk budget now? I sell wow, cost me sort of change. Okay, out the money. So can I modify something to replace a more what you call capital based budget trading strategy? Can not? That's why you notice the way of thinking trader is quite different from the rest. Most of the teach strategies and trade strategy you live and die by it. Of course, all my system will teach you. In this case, the 7S you say direction, we will teach you what? We're teaching you to do vertical spreads here, buy vertical spreads options. Exit parameters up. If I teach you too many variables, the higher chance for you to rojak. You want to say Chinese say to put it nicely, politely, 走火入魔. After 2 years ago, I did one buy and sell trade. I did one combined class, buy strategy and sell strategy. And some of them rojak. Buy based on sell based on buy. Wow, then complain lose money. Doesn't mean the method, doesn't mean the trade with me, doesn't mean you should make money. But at least it's optimized in such a way that it's all within your parameters projected by the system, projected by you before you start. Okay?
Yeah.
So sooner or later, so later on, what can I learn? You can learn a lot of things. So the problem with a lot of people this way, let's see capital base. So if you sell certain methods it's not, and then my job is teach you thinking trader, don't trade dumb. Anybody can follow a dumb system. Like selling nickel puts. Out the money nickel puts. Complain lose money. Then I can explain better. You think sell nickel puts, why don't you go sell in the money? Not teach. They say sell in the money back. Who said so? So you're starting from here, strategy based. The class you're doing here is strategy based. And combine. Primary focus is strategy based. Second focus will be this one. Every time trade is your budget here already. Because if you want to trade Tesla, which is 900, no, how much now I also don't know. Trade Tesla now. Tesla now is how much? It's $5 spread. So you want to do a trade, you want to go buy, say you want to do a bullish trade, you can buy a trade $5,000. Good idea, bad idea. So Thomas, I will go and buy a spread right here, buy a spread. Buy a share will cost you $81,600. Which one better? Or buy the shares okay, nothing wrong. So what is the objective? Thomas, I buy Tesla because I believe Tesla should go up in value. I buy for long term, 5 years, 10 years cycles. Then buy the shares, good lah. No. But Thomas, I want to make money for next 30 days, 60 days. Stop lah. There's better use for your $81,000. $81,000 we just put $500 inside and do this one trade. Thomas, I buy $5,000. No reason to do it unless no reason for beginners to do it or study people up. Don't know. So this what's the risk? What's the risk for your trade? You can know one now. The risk for a spread trade is based on your budget of $500. How you know it's $500 trade? Simple lor. Maximum profit 277, maximum loss is 223. What's the value?
What?
Maximum profit. What's the maximum profit? 277.
Yeah.
Maximum loss.
223.
Add up together is how much?
For 500.
This under your trade plan is $500 per trade. So think about it. After all, you cannot buy the share at $816. No logic unless you're telling me I buy it because I worship Elon Musk. Then you can game. I don't want to challenge. I don't want to debate such things. So if you are doing tactical trading and short-term option is better. If you want to do 5-year, 10-year cycle, then in shares is better. Thomas, how about do 6 months, 1 year? Then can options also can, because options remember the rule of trading. Instead of buying the mother shares for mother shares for say let's say I want to do a 9 months trade you can always go and buy 15 June 2023. You can do a trade for $19,000.
Where is $19? Oh, okay. Okay.
Can now. Alright, 20,000, sorry. I saw 19,000 because I always look at the bid price, but actual market I think 20. Which one better? Of course, you want to buy the shares, buy shares will cost you how much? The share will cost you $816. You buy option cost you $200. Depends. So if you want to go back, we can discuss it later on because there is other strategy to reduce this risk parameter to lower. Okay, this one is more like it's more at the elite practitioner level stuff where I don't want to talk too much about it, because if you cannot handle this one handle the spread properly for 19th of August then let's handle it first you start the simplest step by step first.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Yep.
Questions?
No. All this, I mean, it will be taught, right? As in
Of course.
To how
I guarantee you it's hard.
interpret.
No. I will teach you. If you don't understand just follow the demo, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Or if you feel how much $1, $250, take it, got the call. Let's go and learn. Because I discover to my thing, people who trade demo too much won't succeed one. Okay, maybe at $1 at $250 level you can trade live at $500 or $1,000 level you trade demo I also can. Because I want you to feel the joy of making money and agony of losing. Because you trade demo only like play Monopoly go bankrupt. If real world go bankrupt you know how it feel now. Monopoly can go bankrupt 3 times in a row. Cash flow gain also can go bankrupt. That's why I say a lot of people don't understand. They think trading is about system, about methods. For Lamborghini, you can go 280 kilometers guarantee. Tested, proven internationally. Lamborghini, Maserati, Porsche, or guarantee 200-300 kilometers about nothing. Doesn't mean you buy one can drive one.
Yeah, true. Very true. Okay.
Okay, any questions?
No. So to make payment, I can use the payment.